Mau is one of the important border towns serving as an entry point for trucks carrying essential services to Manipur. Manipur, like many parts of India, had been under severe lockdown for a long time in our fight against COVID-19.
Right now we're standing in this room where we package dry rations for the truckers, for the truck drivers. The dry rations are given to truck drivers for outbound trucks as well as incoming truck drivers. On an average, there are about 100 incoming, outgoing 100, or sometimes a little more or a little less. And dry rations was started in the month of April 2020. The truck drivers, when they travel, all the hotels, all the shops are closed. So this is one very essential things that we're providing to the truck drivers. Initially we provided rice, dal, and also potato and onions. In the month of August, we reduced this dry ration to dal and rice. So this is the dry ration I'm holding. This is for one truck. Normally in a truck, there are 2 persons. So this dal and rice is for 2 persons.
Trucks and the drivers braving the COVID-19 have been carrying essential services for the population of the state of Manipur. District Administration Senapati had come up with an idea to solve the problems of the truck drivers by providing essential ration to the truckers, as they couldn't buy rations due to the closure of shops during the lockdown.
Initially, when we started this lockdown, there were a lot of difficulties. The returnees come at different hours. Some comes at in the middle of the night, and they have been traveling without food for a long duration, traveling by road from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, etc. So by the time they reach here, they are in a very tired, physically tired, and they have been traveling without proper food. So suddenly we get a call in the middle of the night that we have to provide food anyhow to them. So the district administration with very less manpower, it's very difficult for us to do it alone, but there are many local youths, the churches and volunteers that help in this preparations of food, or in terms of donations of vegetables and other essential commodities like drinking water. So this has been of big help to the district administrations, and we are very grateful to all the volunteers, all the help that have been extended to us in the fight against COVID. We would like to say thank you to all.